Have you ever felt stuck in life, as if something invisible is holding you back? You work hard, but still, success, happiness, and peace seem just out of reach. What if I told you that your own mind could be your biggest enemy? What if certain habits you unknowingly follow are making you mentally weak and keeping you from achieving your true potential? Today, we will uncover 10 habits that weaken your mind, according to Buddhist wisdom, and how to break free from them to become mentally strong, fearless, and enlightened. Stay till the end, because the last habit is something that almost everyone does, without realizing how destructive it can be. Habit 1. Holding on to anger and resentment. Buddha once said, "Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned." Anger is like poison. It clouds judgment, destroys relationships, and most importantly, weakens your mind. In Buddhism, it is taught that a calm and peaceful mind is a strong mind. The moment you let anger control you, you become a slave to your emotions. How to overcome it? Practice metta meditation, loving kindness meditation, to cultivate compassion. When anger arises, take 3 deep breaths and ask yourself, will this matter in 5 years? Forgive, not because others deserve it, but because you deserve peace. Habit 2. Seeking external validation. Do you often worry about what others think of you? Do you feel the need to be liked by everyone? If yes, you are unknowingly weakening your mental strength. Buddha taught that true happiness comes from within. If your self-worth depends on others' opinions, you are giving them control over your mind. How to overcome it? Stop seeking approval. Ask yourself, do I truly like myself? Develop self-awareness through meditation. Remember, no one else's opinion can define your worth but your own. Habit 3. Living in the past or future. A weak mind is one that constantly lives in regret of the past or anxiety about the future. Buddha emphasized the power of the present moment. How to overcome it? Practice mindfulness. Focus on what you are doing right now. Realize that the past is a lesson, not a prison. Understand that the future is shaped by your present actions, not by overthinking. Habit 4. Over-attachment to material things. In today's world, people chase money, fame, and possessions, thinking it will bring happiness. But Buddha warned that attachment leads to suffering. How to overcome it? Practice non-attachment by appreciating things without needing them. Understand that true wealth is inner peace, not material possessions. Habit 5. Negative self-talk and doubt. Have you ever told yourself, "I am not good enough," or "I will never succeed"? Your words create your reality. If you keep feeding your mind with negativity, it becomes weak and powerless. How to overcome it? Change your inner dialogue. Replace "I can't" with "I will try." Use positive affirmations daily. Meditate to silence the inner critic. Habit 6. Fear of change. Many people fear change because it brings uncertainty. But in Buddhism, impermanence is a fundamental truth. Everything changes. Seasons, life circumstances, even emotions. How to overcome it? Accept that change is the only constant. Instead of fearing the unknown, embrace it as a new opportunity. Practice gratitude for the present moment, knowing that nothing lasts forever. Habit 7. Avoiding discomfort and challenges. A weak mind runs from difficulties, but Buddha taught that growth comes from facing suffering, not avoiding it. How to overcome it? Step out of your comfort zone daily. See challenges as lessons, not obstacles. Develop mental resilience by embracing discomfort. Habit 8. Comparing yourself to others. Comparison is the thief of joy. Buddha taught that everyone's path is unique. When you compare, you are measuring your journey with someone else's timeline, which only creates unnecessary suffering. How to overcome it? Focus on your progress, not others' achievements. Celebrate small wins daily. Understand that life is not a competition, but a personal journey. Habit 9. Not taking responsibility for your actions. A weak mind blames others for failures, but Buddha emphasized karma. Every action has consequences. Taking responsibility is the first step to empowerment. How to overcome it? Stop blaming others. Own your mistakes. Understand that you shape your destiny through your choices. Learn and grow from failures instead of fearing them. Habit 10. Living without purpose. One of the most dangerous habits is living aimlessly. A weak mind drifts through life without direction, while a strong mind follows a purpose. How to overcome it? Ask yourself, what truly matters to me? Set clear goals aligned with your values. Follow Buddha's wisdom. Live a life of meaning, not just existence. Final thoughts. The path to mental strength. Breaking these 10 habits will transform your mind. As Buddha taught, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. If you choose to free your mind from these weaknesses, you will unlock limitless potential. Are you ready to take the first step towards mental strength and enlightenment? If so, start today, because the journey to a powerful mind begins within you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more spiritual wisdom.